Hello everyone, so in this video I want to show you jobs with visa sponsorship and in occupations that are so unlikely, like you can actually migrate as a chef, as a hairstylist, those occupations that people don't feel they can get jobs, with visa sponsorship on. So that's why I'm doing this video, to show you these jobs. They're available, they have visa sponsorship, they have relocation package, they pay for your flight, accommodation, like different kinds of relocation packages. These jobs do exist, but you just need to know the right place to find them. So in this video, I'm bringing them together to just show you, jobs you can apply for different occupations with visa sponsorship. If you're just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to my channel. Do hit the subscribe button so you can be seeing more videos from me, and turn on the post notification bell, very important. So how the bell works is, when you turn it on, every time I post a new video, you get a notification and you just click it and watch the video. So in this relocation journey, right, you can't depend on just one video. You need to get so much information so you can know your options. It will even make your journey faster when you know so much about the things you need to do to migrate. So you need to watch a lot of videos from me, to make your relocation dream come true. I mean, that is what my channel is all about. It's all about, showing you opportunities all around the world that you can take advantage of. So do me a favor, hit the like button of this video, just give me a thumbs up just to show that you appreciate the content I share here. It does motivate me to create more content. All right, thank you so much. Okay, so I'm going to show you the website. Let's move over to the website so I can show you everything you need to know about these visa sponsorship jobs you can apply for right now. So let's look at these new jobs in Australia recently posted. Most of them were posted just today. So this is for chef, all grades, sponsorship available. And it looks like they're hiring multiple candidates here. So if you're a chef, this is a very good opportunity for you. A whole lot of text here to go through concerning this opening. So let's just quickly look at some of the important aspects of this. So the crazy chef with dream big or go home attitude needed. Join Neuron's expanding international talent pool to explore full-time employment and sponsorship opportunities in Australia. And the salary they wrote here is $60,000 to $80,000 per annum. And okay, who is Neuron? So they gave a little bit background on the recruiter who is employing for this, who they are, why you should join them, and all. So what's available positions? They have executive chef, head chef, sous chef. So basically they have different grades of chefs here. So you can definitely look at this if you're in that industry. Okay. And so let's see some more requirements. So for the head chef, minimum 3 or 2 years working experience. So if you're a head chef, they need 3 years work experience. And for the other grades, 2 years, they say, is enough. And then you need to have working experience, in the related position in a fast-paced restaurant, pub environment, and then related occupational training, skills, or competency certificate like the HACCP, the Food Safety Standard, and others. You should have never had a criminal record and must be able to pass the national police check. Okay, so that's, you need to be fluent in English also. And also for non-Australians, if you're in non-Australia and you need visa sponsorship and all, this information is for you. So they have all of that. So yeah, it's something to check out, if you want to join this company, it's something to check out. So if you're a chef, over to you. Next up, registered nurse. I've done a whole lot of job openings for nurses on my channel, so many of them, and they're always the same thing. They always have visa sponsorship, they always have relocation package, accommodation, flights, things like that. So if you're a nurse, good for you. It's really cool for you in Australia. Sponsorship to live and work in Australia, relocation and reimbursement is always the same thing for nurses. Always the same thing. So if you're a nurse, you can head down and see how you can take advantage of this. So boiler makers and welders. So welders are needed here. So if you're a welder, you can check this out. Competitive rates when it comes to salary. Visa sponsorship is available. The salary range here is $75,000 to $125,000. All right. So that depends on your competency. And they say this job is available for people that are seeking sponsorship for a work visa. So if you need visa sponsorship, this is a good one. So if you're a boiler maker, you're a welder, you can apply for this. Next up, we have here general nurses. So nurses are needed with visa sponsorship, relocation, everything. They just pay for your flight, accommodation, everything that has to do with your relocation down to Australia to begin your new role as a nurse. When I was going through the site, I saw like hundreds, I'm not kidding, like hundreds of openings for nurses and midwives. So they're so, like, if you're a nurse, you're a midwife, check out Australia. You really like it. Okay, next up is for a cook. So cooks are like really needed in Australia. That's something I wanted to point out. Chefs, cooks, people in that field, you guys are like so needed in Australia. So you should try to see how you can gain the relevant certifications, experience to get these visa sponsorship jobs in Australia as a chef. You really need to do that. So this one needs at least 2 years experience, at least 2 years. Next up here, another one, obviously, see the previous one. BRAS was the ones hiring, and this one, swings and roundabouts. So it's different, yeah? So you should check this out. So these are the responsibilities, and the salary is 50,000 to 70,000 per annum. I think that is good. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if that is good salary for a cook. All right. So next up here is a chef. Okay, so BRS is hiring a chef, and if you're a chef, at least 2 years experience, you can apply for this. Salary is between 50,000 to $70,000 per annum. All right. So next up here, accountant. Accountants are also needed. Salary is 70,000 to 100,000. Let's see more details about this. I'm interested to see what the package is like. So they've given information about the company and then the role, so you can read all of that, and your profile, who you should be, university degree in relevant accounting, business, and commerce discipline, and then you need certifications, CA, CPA, and so that's it. There's so much here, so you can go through it. If you're an accountant, it's written here that temporary paid accommodation is provided to assist with relocation. So accommodation is provided. That is awesome. It's always good to have accommodation waiting for you when you're arriving in a new country. Very important. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so next up, maintenance manager. This is good. So if you're a maintenance manager, you can apply for this. There's a job for you. And let's see another one, secondary school teacher. Secondary school teacher. So you're going to be teaching Indigenous students years 7 to 9. So if you're a teacher, you can look into how you can migrate to Australia as a teacher. It's going to be a very good experience. So let's just click to see more details. Secondary school teacher, Indigenous students, accommodation, relocation, salary, 90,000 to $100,000 per annum. All right. So I think that is good. Relocation, accommodation sounds good. So these are the details of the job. You need the QLD teacher's registration, stable employment history, WWCC, accommodation, relocation, and they really put that in bold because it's something that you should look out for when you're getting an international job. But if they're not providing it, it doesn't mean you can't take up those jobs. You can still take up those jobs, obviously. Just look at the pros and cons and decide if it's something you want to do. I really think you should apply to these jobs like immediately, because at times if they see what they're looking for even before the deadline, they can close receiving applications. So apply as soon as possible, and also share the opportunity with others. Let them know that these jobs do exist so they can apply for them. So give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you want to talk to me privately, you want to have a one-on-one consultation with me, I do that, because there's so much information out there, and some people don't really know how to, like, which one is for them, which pathway is best for them. So the purpose of this one-on-one sessions is basically to let people know, the right pathway for them in terms of their qualification, their experience, their budget, and things like that. So if you want to talk to me privately to get a good sense of which pathways you should be pursuing, then do send me an email and we will arrange that. All right, thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.